Alam mo ba, may mga lalaking magbibigay talaga sa'yo ng princess treatment in their natural way. And yung iba hindi nila kaya and that's okay. Pero wag mong sayangin yung energy mo trying to change him kasi hindi yun magbabago, girl. Kung gusto mo naman ng lalaki magpo-provide sa'yo and mag-aalaga, so you need to find someone that has a provider mindset. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan yun i-push or ipilit pa. Kasi totoo to, you are not too much. Maybe he's just not the right one. Kasi kung gusto ka talaga niya, then gusto ka talaga niya. Hindi mo na kailangan patunayan pa kung paano or gaano kahalaga yung worth mo just to be chosen. So, it should be like comes easily. You know what? Princess treatment comes or starts when you choose peace. Kasi you'll never settle for bare minimum where you let go para dumating yung tamang lalaki for you. And yes, kailangan niya ring maramdaman na siya yung king for you. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na you should lose yourself. You should just let him lead with love, hindi yung dahil sa napilitan lang. Give him respect, not control. Give him appreciation, not pressure. Men feels most alive when they feel needed, not demanded. You should remember that. Yung softness mo, yung smile mo, yung simple appreciation and thank you, yan yung nag-encourage sa kanila to be on their provider mindset. Pero ito yung pinaka-importante. You should treat yourself the way you wanted to be treated. You rest, you receive, you take care of your joy. Remember that you don't beg for princess treatment. You embody it and the right man will match that energy. So if you want more video like this, don't forget to hit that follow button. And yes, if you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will answer it on my next video. See you around!